Hello students, welcome to the class 4th subject English. Unit 1, the world around us. Let's start activity 5. What will you do to conserve and protect our earth? Means हम अपनी अर्थ को बचाने के लिए क्या करेंगे? You have to think and write your answers. Let's start. Observe the following table and tick the desirable options. Also mention how you would contribute to Better Earth, Better We movement. So students, यहाँ आपको एक टेबल दिया गया है. उस टेबल से हमें ये बताना है कि बेटर अर्थ बेटर वी मूवमेंट के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं. सो यू हैव टू थिंक एंड राइट योर आंसर्स बिलो. लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट वन, सेव वाटर. कैन वी सेव वाटर और नॉट? सो यस, वी कैन सेव वाटर. So put mark right on yes. In the last column it is given, if yes, what will you do to save water? So students, हम पानी को बचाने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? So the very first, we should take as much water as we need to drink. But we should not throw it away. Now another thing, what should we do to save water? We will use less water for bathing, washing and brushing, etc. So there are so many other ways to save water. You think by yourself and write your answers. Okay, move to the next. Save trees. Can we save trees or not? Yes, we can save trees. So put mark right on the yes. In the last column it is given, if yes, what will you do to save trees? Trees को सेव करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? So you can write here, we must not cut down trees. Another thing, we must plant more trees. And also we can write here, we will use less paper. So children, there are so many other ways to save trees. So you have to think by yourself and write your answers. Okay, now last one, save animals and birds. So children, can we save animals and birds? Yes, we can save animals and birds. So put right mark on the yes. In the third column it is given, if yes, what will you do to save animals and birds? So we can write here, when they come nearby our house, we should not treat them badly. So students, हमें जो एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स है उनको कभी भी हार्म या टीज नहीं करना चाहिए. नेवर हार्म और टीज them. We can also write here, we should give food to the animals and birds. Okay students, हम उनको खाना भी दे सकते हैं. So we can write here, provide food and shelters. Another thing, if we see they are sick, we must take them to the animals and birds hospital. Okay students, now for the birds, we can make nest for birds. And there are so many other ways to save water, save trees and save animals and birds. So children, you should think by yourself and write your answers. These all things we can do to save our environment. Okay, now next topic, did you know? Here is given one paragraph that we should know. Environmentalism is a very important political and social movement. जो एनवायरमेंटलिज्म है वो एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट पॉलिटिकल एंड सोशल मूवमेंट है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ एनवायरमेंटलिज्म? एनवायरमेंटलिज्म इज concern about an action aimed at protecting the environment. एनवायरमेंटलिज्म मीन्स एनवायरमेंट का ध्यान देने रखने का प्रोग्राम. So this is the program which is conducted by the government to make the people aware about protecting the environment. So students, ये गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू एक एनवायरनमेंट का ध्यान रखने के लिए प्रोग्राम किया जाता है जिसमें पीपल्स जो सारे लोग हैं उनको अवेयर किया जाता है कि किस तरह से एनवायरनमेंट को हम प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Its goal is to protect nature by emphasizing the role of nature in protection of the environment in combination with the various actions and policies oriented to nature preservation. So students, इस प्रोग्राम का गोल है कि किस तरह से हम नेचर को प्रोटेक्ट करना है, किस तरह से नेचर को हम प्रिजर्व कर सकते हैं, किस तरह से हम उसे बचा सकते हैं, वो इस प्रोग्राम के थ्रू बताया जाता है. सो इट इज़ अ मूवमेंट दैट वर्क्स टुवर्ड्स मेंटेनिंग अ बैलेंस एनवायरनमेंट. तो इस मूवमेंट का वर्क है कि एनवायरनमेंट को किस तरह से हम मेंटेन कर सकते, बैलेंस कर सकते, ये बताता है. So that we can maintain good balanced environment. In short, we can say that it is a political and social movement regarding concerns for environmental protection and improvement of the health of the environment.